It was been an awareness program by the Indian Blind Football Federation, and this is the first time it's being organized in Goa. And it's a very nice step taken by these organizers and associated with the National Blind Association of Goa, with Mr. Rosando and his team. And as far as I am aware, is that this federation is going to start the first academy in Cochin from the 11th to the 17th of this month.
There are 5 aside, 4 are totally blind, and the goalkeeper is a sighted person. They also have one support person for the team who stands behind the goal post, who informs the other side team where to shoot. In fact, it tells you the exact location of the goalkeeper, so the player knows where to shoot. And it's so interesting. We have already seen 20 minutes play. It is interesting, and we are very happy that the blind can play football like anybody else.
Obviously, it is a different experience for me taking a penalty blindfolded and taking normal penalty. When you take normal penalty, you can see the goal and you can take a penalty. But when you're blindfolded, I think it's really difficult because you cannot see anything, and it's really onto the imagination. Like you have to just imagine and just take a penalty.